So this afternoon I've been putting my seeds in, so literally just put them all out, and I've got some propagator plastic lids here for the ones that I knew were going to be delicate, some of the seeds. So the lids fit on the green trays, and then I run out of propagator lids because I had some dahlia here and it said that you do need to cover it, so I've just got a really big sandwich bag. So I'm just waiting for the water to get a bit warmer that I've filled up, then I can spray them all and put them in the greenhouse. So the greenhouse is all ready to go. Remember from my previous video I cleaned it all down. And I did just keep the seed soil in the sun, so it was relatively warm when I put the seeds in, so that should be good. And then it will just be a case of putting it in the greenhouse, keeping an eye on it, and spraying it all every day just to make sure it's moist enough and it doesn't dry out. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. I've got a mixture of all sorts, so I'll keep you updated. So the rockery's starting to come into bloom now. Now some of those are weeds, but I quite like them. Fish are doing well. And I wanted to show you some of my updated bits in the garden. So last time I spoke to you, I think there was a few pansies here. We've got a few more. Some of them are starting to die back a bit now, but we've got more coming. And when I spoke to you, I was putting all my seeds in and getting my seeds trays ready, and here they all are. So I've basically put all the seed compost in and seeded my greenhouse up. Looked at the instructions on the pack because some of them I wasn't sure of. Now these were getting quite dry. Now you can see there's nothing happening over here, but it was extremely dry with just using the spray gun on the top, because I didn't want to over saturate them with water. But what I've done today for the first time is I've just put some water in the tray underneath on all of these. You'll see there's water in here as well, just to put a little bit in just to help them not dry out so much. Now there's nothing going on in all of these ones, but we have some morning glory in there, which is fantastic, and we have some cucumbers coming up, which is brilliant. So basically these were all up on the top shelf here, and when I realised they were coming up, I didn't want to spray them and then scorch them. So what I've done is I've sprayed them out of the sun, and I've just put them down here just so that they can continue to be in the shade while they're growing, and they're so tender. So I thought I'd share that with you. And I also wanted to share my cherry blossom, because look at that, it doesn't last long. We get quite strong winds up here, and one gust and that's all gone. But I'm hoping to get some cherries again this year. Last year I got a few cherries, mainly on the top, which the birds got to before me, which is fine, because my garden is for them as well. But yeah, I just thought I'd share where we've got to so far in this month. So I planted all this up just over a week ago, but where we had such lovely weather from the 7th of April, which was my week off, I was very fortunate to be able to go out here and get all my seeds done. So yeah, for now it's just waiting for them to grow, and then I'll be able to put them all out in planters and pots. There's my little dog down there sunbathing. You all right there, Rube? Oh, bless her. Eyes closed. And thanks again for watching.